Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be discussing about OCM rule. Now OCM, why it is important to study OCM? That is, nowadays sometimes the question comes on OCM rule that you are supposed to find out which is the correct one. If you are not aware of OCM rule, so obviously you are not aware that which is the correct statement here. So let us discuss the OCM rule here. OCM rule which comes under the numeral adjective, right? And OCM stands for here, O stands for ordinal, C stands for cardinal and M stands for multiplicative, right? Now OCM rule numeric adjectives are basically of two types. One is definite and the other one is indefinite, right? Now under definite, this OCM rule comes where cardinal, C for cardinal, where all the numbers, that is like 1 2 3 4 5, all the numeric math numbers comes under the cardinal, right? And the second one, that is ordinal, the first, second, third, fourth, fifth, like these types of words, they come under ordinal. And multiplicative means which numbers which gets multiplied, that is single, double, triple, all these words they come under the multiplicative, right? Multiplicative numeric adjective, definite, under definite, where there you are perfectly sure that what is the number. We can understand this by two, with this one example, that is, here two statements are there. I have hired the two first single room, and the second statement is I have hired the first two single rooms. Although the two sentences are giving the same meaning, but in these two sentences, which one is correct? Yes, which one is correct? That is the second statement. Second sentence is correct. Why it is correct? Because the second sentence is only following the OCM rule here. Why OCM rule? As I told you, according to OCM rule, in that sentences, if this three, that is OCM, comes in one single sentence, you are supposed to follow OCM method or OCM rule. That means first, that is first, second, third. First the ordinal numbers, ordinal words will be coming in the sentence. In the second way, cardinal words will be coming, and lastly you have to arrange the multiplicative word, right? So according to OCM rule here, first one sentence, I have hired the two first single room. Now here first is coming, first is belonging to which one? Ordinal. Yes. Then first single, but here single is multiplicative, that means this is not following the rule of OCM. Whereas the second statement is following the rule of OCM, because here first one is, the first is, look here, the first two is cardinal, O, C, M. Last one is M, that is single. So this the second statement is following the OCM rule. So the second statement is correct. Now let us move towards indefinite numeral adjective. Indefinite, as the name is also making it clear, which is not sure, which is not definite. Like some, many, plenty, lots of, several, few, a few. These type of more words are there which tells you, which does not make you the numbers clear. Like some, many. So in this you are not clear about the number, that how much, right? So in this you are supposed to use indefinite articles also. Like there are single various room. There are single various room. Whereas in this you are supposed to write first the indefinite one. Here what they have written? Single various room. Indefinite should be coming first. The indefinite word should be mentioned first. That is, what is indefinite? Second sentence, there are various single room. Here various means indefinite, you are not sure about it. That is why the second statement becomes clear, correct. Why? Because here they have mentioned there are various single room. Single is definite, yes, and various is indefinite. I told you, you are supposed to use indefinite numeric adjective first in the sentence, yes, and after that you are supposed to use the definite numeral adjective. Clear? So in these two sentences, the second one is correct as compared to the earlier one. Clear? I hope so the topic is clear in your mind. For the notes of this, for today's topic, you can check out my description box. And if you like my video, if you understood anything from this video, do like, subscribe and share my video. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.